Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to take a peek into a world of extravagance, luxury and benefits that most people only see on TV. The most exclusive credit cards in the world, that's right. I've prepared some incredible content for you about the top 5 credit cards on the planet. The ones that offer absurd perks and are practically a testament to status, financial power and, why not, a life fit for a king. If you're dying to know what makes these cards so special, what it takes to get one, and of course, to get a glimpse into the life of the rich and famous, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get to it. The first card on our list needs no introduction. It's a true legend, the better known as the Black Card. Guys, this card is so exclusive that you can't just walk in and ask for one, even if you're swimming in money. It's by invitation only. And don't think it's easy to get that invitation. American Express handpicks its customers, usually those with high net worth, a history of very high spending on their other cards, and of course an impeccable reputation. But let's get to what matters. The benefits. The Black Card gives you unlimited access to airport lounges around the world, automatic upgrades to suites in 5-star hotels, a 24/7 concierge for anything you need, from booking a trendy restaurant to getting tickets to super exclusive events. Just imagine, you're at the airport, your flight is delayed, but you, with your Black Card, relax in a VIP lounge with chef-prepared food, drinks on the house, super fast internet, while mere mortals squeeze into the crowded waiting room. It's another level. The annual fee for the Black Card? Well, get your wallet ready because we're talking about around $5,000 a year. But for those who can afford it, having one of these cards is not just having a piece of plastic, it's a symbol of status and power. It's like you're telling the world, I've made it. Isn't this everyone's dream? To live a life of luxury and exclusivity, to have access to the best of the best, and to be recognized as someone who has truly arrived. The Black Card is more than just a credit card. It's a statement, a lifestyle, and a dream come true for many. In second place, we have another giant of the financial world. This card made of titanium is the definition of exclusivity. Just to give you an idea, it's offered only to JP Morgan bank customers who have at least $10 million in investments. Yeah, my friends, this card is not for everyone. So what's so special about it? In addition to the standard benefits, such as travel insurance and access to exclusive events, the JP Morgan Reserve's biggest differentiator is personalized investment advice. That's right, with this card you have access to a team of financial experts who help you grow your money. It's like having a personal banker in your pocket, but it doesn't stop there. The card also offers incredible travel perks, like cabin upgrades on flights, free nights at luxury hotels, and even the ability to earn points that can be redeemed for airline tickets and other benefits. Having a JP Morgan Reserve is synonymous with having access to a world of opportunities, both financially and in terms of lifestyle. It's a card for those seeking not just rewards, but top-notch wealth management and a sophisticated lifestyle. So do you think you'd have enough money to have one of these in your wallet? Get ready for the next card on our list because it's going to make everyone drool with envy. This is not just any card, it's a symbol of ultimate luxury and prestige. I'm talking about the Dubai First Royale MasterCard, a card that exudes extravagance in every single detail, from its design to its unparalleled benefits. Seriously guys, this card is so luxurious that it has a diamond embedded right in the middle. Yes, you heard that right, a real diamond, and don't think the luxury is just in the looks. No, it's much more than that. The card is a gateway to a world of opulence. This card is made for the cream of the crop, for the elite of royalty and billionaire businessmen in the Middle East. It's a status symbol that speaks volumes. We're talking about a level of wealth and opulence that most of us only see in movies. Imagine living in a world where luxury is the norm. But let's get down to business. The incredible benefits. This card offers more than just prestige. The Dubai First Royale MasterCard offers virtually unlimited credit limits. You can spend without worrying about hitting a ceiling. That's right, unlimited. No boundaries, no restrictions. It's financial freedom at its finest. And if you think it's over, think again, because there's more. The perks are endless. It gives you access to luxury services you can't even imagine, like private jets, yachts, and exclusive travel experiences. Personal shoppers at the most expensive stores in the world, ensuring you always have the best. And of course, a 24/7 concierge to handle any request, anytime, anywhere in the world. Your wish is their command. Just ask and they'll make it happen, no matter how extravagant. The service is impeccable. Having a Dubai First Royale MasterCard is like having the key to a world of infinite possibilities where every door opens for you, where money is no object and luxury is just a detail in your everyday life. It's a lifestyle most can only dream of. It's the height of exclusivity and purchasing power, unmatched by any other. This card is in a league of its own. Who wouldn't want to take a walk around with this card in their pocket, huh? It's the ultimate status symbol. Imagine the envy and admiration you'll receive. And our journey through the world of exclusive credit cards continues, and this time we land in the United Kingdom to get to know the royal family's card. This card is so exclusive that even Queen Elizabeth II uses it. And it's no wonder, is it? The Coutts Silk Card is issued by Coutts Bank, one of the oldest and most traditional banks in the world, known for serving the British royal family and ultra-high net worth clients. But what's so special about the royal card? In addition to the traditional benefits, like travel insurance, VIP lounge access, and 24/7 concierge service, the Coutts Silk Card gives you access to super exclusive events in the UK, like Wimbledon, Royal Ascot, and other high society events. Can you imagine watching a tennis match next to the royal family? With this card, it's possible. In addition, the Coutts Silk Card offers a personalized wealth management service with financial advisors who help you invest your money in the best possible way. With a history as rich as the bank that issues it, the Coutts Silk Card is the perfect choice for those seeking discretion, tradition, and of course a lot of exclusivity. It's like having a little piece of British royalty in your pocket. And to close our list on a high note, I present to you the card that is the face of success in the business world, also known as the White Card. Unlike the other cards on the list, which are more focused on luxury and extravagance, the White Card targets high-level entrepreneurs looking for benefits and experiences that go beyond the traditional. And what's the big deal with the White Card? Simple. Private jets. That's right. The main focus of this card is to provide networking experiences and rewards geared towards the world of executive aviation. With it, you earn points that can be redeemed for flight hours on private jets. And we're not talking about just any jet, no, we're talking about luxury planes with all the comfort and exclusivity you deserve. Imagine reclining in plush seats, sipping on premium beverages, and having access to high-speed internet while you fly. In addition, the Stratus Rewards Visa gives you access to an exclusive network of corporate events where you can meet other entrepreneurs, close deals, and expand your horizons. It's the perfect opportunity for those looking to boost their careers and make important contacts in the business world. These events are often held in some of the most prestigious locations, adding an extra layer of sophistication to your networking experience. If you're an executive who's always on the go, who needs flexibility and agility to travel for business, and who values valuable experiences and connections, the Stratus Rewards Visa is the perfect card for you to have in your wallet. It's not just a card, it's a gateway to a world of elite business opportunities and unparalleled luxury. So, guys, did you enjoy learning about the 5 most exclusive credit cards in the world? From the iconic Black Card to the luxurious Stratus Rewards, each offers unique advantages and experiences for a select and powerful audience. Of course, for most of us, having one of these cards is a distant dream, but it doesn't hurt to dream, and who knows, one day achieve this level of success and exclusivity, right? So, which of these cards did you find most interesting? Which one would you like to have in your wallet? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos about curiosities of the financial world, exclusive tips, and much more. See you later.